Class 10, today I am taking your same topic we are going on, that is climate of India. On that day I taught you about the starting, I had taken about the variations and the introductions and the factors also which I had taken, factors affecting the temperature. Now I am starting with the same next topic in that only same chapter, that is the climate of the Indian subcontinent. In spite of the great diversity and variations in Indian climates and topography, what is topography? The natural features. Due to various reasons, some important factors that leads unity to the Indian subcontinent is the fact of the monsoon. Now the word monsoon owes its origins to an Arabic words meaning season. These winds appears to blow, means these winds which are appear means monsoon winds are blowing from the southwest for 6 months and northwest for another 6 months. These types of winds which are blowing from northeast and another thing. Hence they are reverses their direction seasonally and they are called, and they reverse their direction and they are also called monsoon wind. And the climate which is known, already I explained also in that day, the climate of India is known as, that is tropical monsoon type. Monsoons are large-scale seasonal wind system flowing over vast areas of the globe persistently in the same directions, only to be reversed with a change of season. Monsoons winds also two types, that is which is blowing from land breezes and sea breeze, which blows from land to sea, that is called land breezes, which blows from seas to land, that is called sea breeze. The winds are also called, we are also talking about the winds are also called, that is southwest monsoon winds, and the winds are also another name is, according to the direction also you can say, we are giving the name, that is northeast monsoon winds. The monsoon winds, the winds are also called southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. According to the means we are giving according to the directions, that is north, south, west, east. So we are talking about southwest over here and we are talking about that is the southeast over monsoon winds. And from the directions northeast monsoons or its northeast monsoon winds. Their main feature is various direction of which determines the climate of the Indian subcontinent. Now coming about the next topic, that is the 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? On the basis of the monsoon variations, it may be divided into 4 main seasons. That is hot dry season, which is going on March to May. Rainy season or the season of the southwest monsoon, that is June to September. The season of the retreating. Retreating means which is a short duration period, that is southwest monsoon, that is October to November. Have you mentioned its month is also written October to November. Next season is the cold season or the season of the northeast monsoon, that is December to February. Yes, we are starting with that is the hot dry season, which is in which month? That is March to May. What are the main conditions we are talking about the hot dry season? The temperature conditions. Nowadays what happened? The temperature is very hot. Why? You know already which latitude line is this? This is Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degree north, which is divided into 2 hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. 3 branches are over here, that is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean over here. Temperature conditions during summer solstice. What type of 2 types of solstice also you have studied in 9th standard, that is summer solstice and winter solstice. What do you mean by the solstice? Meaning is that is sun standing still. Means nowadays sun standing still on which latitude line? On the Tropic of Cancer. That's why sun standing is still and sun is overhead. That's why temperature is very hot. The sun shines directly overhead on Tropic of Cancer, which divides into 2 halves, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Mainland of India experience intense heat. Nowadays the intense heat is over here in the northern hemisphere till March to May. Low pressure conditions develop on the mainland of India with high pressure conditions prevail over, means over here it's low pressure and over here it's high pressure, because winds move from high to low pressure, then only the rainfall conditions will be there. There is a steady increase in temperature from south to north from highest in the interior. Rajasthan goes on, means Rajasthan area is having the highest intensity temperatures over here between 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. In central India, average temperature is about 45 degree and in south about 38 to 40. in the month of May. Now the next is pressure conditions. Storms are also coming in the hot weather seasons only. That is now the next is in the temperatures conditions we have talked about. Now in this only we have talked about the pressure conditions and wind directions. As the whole country simmers in heat, the low pressure conditions over land becomes more severe and a low pressure develops between Thar desert, means over here Rajasthan. Which type of desert is found here? That is a Thar desert, and the next is over here is Chota Nagpur plateau. On the other hand, the surrounding seas, means the seas are very cool and the interior part is very hot. So there over here I already just now told you that is the high pressure conditions. The southeast trade winds, that means the southeast trade winds are blowing, that is north, south, west and east, means this side we are talking about. The southeast trade winds which blow from southeast to southwest in southern India are attract towards the mainland of India. They blow from southwest to northeast. Hence the hot season ends and southwest. Now the hot season ends. Hot season ends in May. Now the which season starting now? The rainy season is getting started. Now the hot season is West India in the month of June. Now the storms during hot weather season. As the warmest area shifts from Deccan towards northwest India in the month of May, it's built up a low pressure trough between Thar deserts, means we are talking about Thar deserts to Chota Nagpur plateau. Winds from the regions surrounding low trough areas and drown into circulation. These winds are also nowadays is giving the thunderstorms also with some dusty winds as the rain mostly in what are the thunderstorm and mostly which type of in which areas over here, that is in Punjab, Haryana and UP over here. Now the local wind, means which local winds are blowing in hot season. Number one is Kal Baisakhi, that you know only Loo, which blown in northern India and which is also called, we are giving the name sandstorm. And on the another wind his name is, that is a mango showers. Mango showers, mango is written, means which is favorable for mango. Other crops also, that is tea and coffee. Now the mango Kal Baisakhi in West Bengal, where this wind is blowing? In West Bengal, this wind is blowing, which is called Kal Baisakhi, meaning the calamity. Why it's giving the name of Baisakhi? Because of the month of Baisakhi. That's why we have given the name Kali Baisakhi we have given. They are also called, means we have also called, this is also called nor'westers and become they usually blow in northwest direction. These winds are very thickened by thunderstorms and bring heavy rainfall. This rain in the month of April, May, and it is also good for tea, coffee and in Assam and jute and rice in West Bengal. Thank you class. Now I will start with the next video.